Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Mastek Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on Mastek with a price target of Rs 3,610 as we believe the company is on track to top quartile growth in FY25. Given strong first half of FY25 and coupled with strong growth in North America, continued expansion in UK as well as strong momentum in healthcare and other global verticals for second half of FY25. We expect sales CAGR of 15% and PAT CAGR of 18% over FY24 to 27. At current market price, the stock trades at 27.3 times its FY25, 23.5 times its FY26 and 19.9 times its FY27 estimated EPS. Next we cover Indian hotels. Our analyst maintains buy on Indian hotels with a revised price target of Rs 910. Indian Hotels unveiled its Accelerate 2030 strategy in its Capital Market Day, providing a glimpse of its path towards doubling its revenues and improving its return profile. Consolidated revenues are set to grow by 2 times to Rs 15,000 crore by 2030. Like for like, revenue per available room to grow at CAGR of 8%. Management income to clock at 15% CAGR. And reimagined business contribution to increase to 25%, growing at 30% CAGR over the next 5 years. Focus remains on consistently improving the EBITDA margins, led by a better mix and operating leverage, and prudent capital allocation plan with strong balance sheet. ROC to improve by 20% by 2030 from current 15%. Stock trades at 34 times FY25, 28 times FY26 and 23 times FY27 EV by EBITDA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.